Hi everyone, welcome back to Bookmarked in 15 or Less. Today we're talking about 6 simple ways to connect with people and make them like you. These tips come from Dale Carnegie's classic advice and they really work. Let's get started. People love when you take an interest in them. Ask about their hobbies, work, or day, and really listen. Show you care by asking thoughtful questions. It's not just polite. It can help you learn about new ideas, perspectives, or opportunities you'd never have discovered otherwise. Tip asks specific questions like, what's something you're really passionate about? Or what do you enjoy most about what you do? This shows genuine curiosity. For those of you who are more reserved, start small. Try asking one question during a conversation. Over time, as you see how people respond, it will feel more natural. Remember, even small steps make a difference. Showing interest in others not only makes them feel valued, but it also helps you. You'll build deeper connections, and you might even learn something new that inspires or benefits you personally. Who knows? A simple conversation could lead to a new opportunity or perspective. A smile is one of the simplest ways to make someone feel comfortable. It's a universal sign of warmth and positivity. Studies show that smiling can even boost your own mood, making you more approachable and confident. Tip smile when you greet someone. It sets the tone for a friendly conversation. If you're shy, start by smiling at someone in passing. You don't have to say anything, just let your smile do the work. Over time, you'll feel more at ease and it will become second nature. Smiling is also contagious. When you smile, it encourages others to smile back, creating a positive atmosphere. It can make you feel more confident and leave a lasting impression on those around you. Using someone's name shows you value them. If you have trouble remembering, repeat their name a few times during the conversation or write it down later. Another great tip is to associate their name with something familiar, like a rhyme, a famous person, or even a mental image that matches their personality. Using someone's name shows you value them. If you have trouble remembering, repeat their name a few times during the conversation or write it down later. Listening is powerful. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and let the other person talk. People love to feel heard. Ask follow-up questions to show you're paying attention, like, what happened next? Or how did that make you feel? Use nonverbal cues like nodding or smiling to encourage them to keep sharing. Summarize what they said to show you understand, like, so, you're saying that... For those who are more reserved, listening can be your superpower. Even if you're quiet, being attentive makes people feel valued and comfortable opening up to you. Listening is powerful. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and let the other person talk. People love to feel heard. Listen more, talk less. Find out what someone enjoys and talk about it. Whether it's sports, movies, or their favorite food, connecting over their passions makes them feel understood. Tip ask, what's something you're really into right now? Or, what's a hobby you've been enjoying lately? Here's why this matters. When you talk about what they love, they associate those positive feelings with you. It also gives you a chance to learn about new interests or even discover shared passions. For quiet individuals, start by mentioning a topic you've noticed they enjoy and ask a simple question like, how did you get into that? Talking about someone's interests isn't just about them, it can benefit you too. You might discover a new hobby, gain a fresh perspective, or even find common ground that strengthens your relationship. It's a win-win. Everyone likes to feel appreciated. Give sincere compliments or thank someone for their help. Small gestures can mean a lot. Examples of compliments. You did a great job. I like your idea. Thanks for helping out. Think about what you would want people to compliment about you. For example, if you appreciate when someone notices your hard work, acknowledge that in others. It's a great way to show understanding and make a genuine connection. For those who are more reserved, compliments don't have to be elaborate. A simple, I really admire how you handled that, can brighten someone's day. Just make sure it's sincere. Be genuine and kind. That's it. 6 easy ways to connect with people and make a great impression. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which tip will you try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Like, share, subscribe, let's connect and grow together.